Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw money from your PayPal account to your Momo wallet. Okay, so if you're in Ghana and you have some money in your PayPal but you don't know how to withdraw the money, this video is for you because I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw that money in your PayPal account to cedis. Okay, you can withdraw it to your mobile money account, whether MTN, mobile money, Airtel Tigo, Telecel Cash, or you can either withdraw to bank. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's start. Okay, so what you have to do now is to download these two apps. Okay, so if you have PayPal, you just need to download the PayPal app, and you just need to download Paxful. Okay, because you'll be using the PayPal and the Paxful to withdraw the money to cedis. Okay, so first let me log into my PayPal account and show you guys how to do this process. Okay, so I'll just click on this PayPal. Okay, so let me do the confirmation. I'll just go here and copy this and paste in the confirmation code here. Okay, so I have logged into this PayPal account successfully, and you can see I have so many transactions I've been performing on this account. I have multiple PayPal wallets. Okay, so now you can see I have some money here. Okay, I have some money in my PayPal. You can see my PayPal balance. I have some money here, and I'll show you guys how to withdraw this money to your Momo wallet or your bank. Okay, so let's first open this app. Okay, as I said, you need this Paxful. Okay, so if you are new to Paxful, you just need to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store to download the app. Then you sign up. Okay, because I have already downloaded the Paxful account. Okay, so I'll open my Paxful. Okay, so this is my Paxful. I have already done everything, done my verifications and everything. Okay, so now what you have to do is to click on this marketplace. Okay, because you'll be using the crypto method to withdraw your PayPal to cedis. Okay, and also Paxful is a platform that you can trade your gift card, you can trade your cryptocurrencies or anything related to money, related to digital money. You can trade it here on Paxful. Okay, so now you just need to click on this marketplace. Okay, so when you click on the marketplace, then you click on this plus icon. Okay, you can see plus icon over here, so you just click on this plus icon, then you click on buy. Okay, you just click on this buy. Okay, so the method I want to show you guys is to buy USDT using your PayPal account, then you sell the USDT to cedis. Okay, this is a very simple method. Okay, so we just need to use the money in our PayPal account to buy USDT on Paxful, then we convert that USDT to cedis. This is very simple. Okay, so now you just need to click on this Bitcoin and choose USDT. Choose the theta. The theta is the USDT. Okay, then you click on this payment method and you select PayPal because you want to use the PayPal to buy the USDT. Then we convert the USDT to cedis. Okay, so I'll click on all payments method. Then I'll click on PayPal. You can see PayPal over here, but if you don't see the PayPal, then you just need to click on this to search for PayPal. Okay, but if you just see PayPal over here, just click on the PayPal. Okay, because we are using the PayPal to buy the USDT, then we convert the USDT to cedis. Okay, you can do all this process here on your Paxful account. Okay, so now what you have to do is to click on this. Okay, click on this to select the country. Okay, the currency. Yeah, maybe your PayPal account is in dollars or pounds or euros or whatever. You just need to click here and select it. Okay, so you can either choose any currency or you can go specifically to your currency. Okay, to the money in your PayPal account. Okay, so you can see I have some dollars in my PayPal account. The money is dollars. Okay, let's check the currency. The currency is USD. Okay, so dollars. Okay, so meaning I will just choose dollars over here. I'll just choose the US dollar. Okay, I'll choose the US dollar. Okay, so when I choose the US dollar, I will choose this. Okay, and select worldwide. Okay, so when I select the worldwide, I'll just scroll down and click find offers. Okay, so we just got so many merchants to buy the USDT from. Okay, so with this merchant, the minimum you can buy is $100. With this merchant, the minimum you can buy is $60. And with this merchant, you can buy 1.13. Okay, so these are their rates. Okay, so we just need to look through to find the correct merchant to deal with. Okay, so now let me try with this merchant. Okay, I'll just click on this buy on the merchant. Then I will enter the amount I want to buy. Okay, I want to buy $100. You can see I have only $100 in my account. Yeah, so I want to buy the $100. Okay, so I'll just type the 100. You can see it's already here. Yeah, because that's the minimum amount you can buy from this person. Okay, each merchant has their own minimum. Okay, so I'll click on this buy now and place order for this merchant. Okay, so what you have to do now is to just read the terms and conditions of this merchant and you chat the merchant. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions. So I'll make a PayPal request to your mobile money, give your mobile money, accept, receive, confirmation. Okay, so this is the terms and condition on our merchant. Okay, so now let's contact the merchant. I'll click on chat to contact the merchant. Okay, so I'll contact the merchant. Hello, I'm buying USDT. Okay, so in this transaction I will pay $2 as fee. Okay, so I'll just click on next. Then I choose the friends and family and proceed because the merchant said his terms and conditions are friends and family. Okay, so I'll click on send to send the money. Okay, so I have sent $100 to this merchant. Okay, so what you have to do now is to click on the done. Then you go to your Paxful. Okay, so I'll go to my Paxful account and click action. Okay, you can see action over here, but first you can text the merchant that have made payment. Then you click the action. Okay, when you click the action, then you click on this paid. You need to take this paid before the countdown. Okay, and you need to be fast. Okay, so I'll take the paid and I will click paid. Okay, paid over here. Okay, so they have alerted the seller that I have made payments. Okay, so this is the chat. Okay, I've made payments. So wait, I'll check. Okay, so the vendor is now verifying the payments. Okay, so let me send the screenshots to the person, the screenshot I took. Okay, now let's wait for the merchant to confirm the transaction and release the crypto to us. And you can see I paid $100 with PayPal, and once the vendor has confirmed the payment, they will release this 99.74 USDT to our Paxful wallet. Okay, so let me wait for the merchant to release the money. Okay, so the merchant has successfully released the $100 to my account. Okay, you can see the merchants. Let me type good. Okay, the merchant also leave a positive feedback for me, good trader. Okay, so I'll just submit this. Okay, so I am done transferring the PayPal money to USDT. Okay, and you can see the money has reflected here in cedis. Okay, let's see, let me open it very big. Okay, you can see the money has reflected here. You can see the amount I have. Okay, so now we are coming to withdraw this to Momo. Okay, using the same process we did with the PayPal. Okay, so to withdraw this to Momo, you just need to click on this marketplace again. Okay, so you click on this marketplace, then you click on this plus icon over here, then you click on this sell button, then you click on this to select USDT Theta. Okay, because the money is in USDT, so you select the Theta, then you select the payment method. So the payment method is
Vodafone card. We want to withdraw to the Vodafone. Okay, so we will select the Vodafone. Okay, and we will select the currency. So the currency is in cedis. Okay, so we scroll to Ghana cedis and select the currency. Okay, so when we are done, we will select this offer location. We will select Ghana. Okay, so you search for Ghana and select. Then we click on this find offer. Okay, and automatically we will get some merchants to sell our crypto to. Okay, so these are some of the verified merchants we can sell to. Okay, so let me start with this first vendor. Okay, the vendor is called the BTC King Cash. Okay, so I will click on sell to this merchant. Okay, so I will click on max. Okay, and this is the amount I'll get. I have $85, 85 USDT, so I will get 1085. Okay, so you can read more about the vendor. You can see the vendor is not online right now. Okay, but we can still trade with the vendor. Okay, we can still trade. So let me click on sell now, this button. Okay, so we are selling our crypto to cedis. Okay, so now you are selling the $85 to Momo. Okay, to your Vodafone Cash. Okay, I'll click on this chat to contact the vendor. Okay, so we need to follow the instructions. Okay, so let me enter my, you can see the merchant has replied right now. Okay, so I'll enter my Vodafone Cash number. Let me enter my Vodafone Cash number, then enter the name on the Vodafone Cash. Okay, so this is Vodafone Cash or Telecel Cash. Okay, so the merchant has clicked as paid. Okay, so let's wait for the money to reflect in our Vodafone Cash account, and after that we will release the crypto to the merchant. Okay, you can see the buyer has clicked paid, so let's wait for the money. And we can see some Telecel Cash has been sent to us. Okay, let me go to my Momo to see if I have received the money. Okay, so you can see I have received the money from King Cash Trading. Okay, King Cash Trading. I received 1085. Okay, so let me check. You can see I was selling the 1085. Yeah, and I have received the money successfully to my account. Okay, this is the amount I received. Okay, so now let me confirm. Okay, you can see this is how you can sell your PayPal to cedis. Okay, so since I have received the money, I'll click on this send theta to send the USDT to the merchant. Okay, so I'll click on send theta and I'll click on this send theta because you're about to send $85 to the merchant. Okay, so I'll send it to the merchant and we have traded successfully. Okay, so now we can leave a review. Let me leave a review. Good, and submit. Okay, so this is how we can withdraw our PayPal money to cedis. Okay, using this method. And if this video helped you to withdraw your PayPal money to cedis, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.